Hi teachers, this video is to give you directions on how to create a tint and tone strip. So what you're going to need is your construction paper, a ruler, a pencil, a Sharpie, an eraser if you need one, and ideally a paper cutter. Scissors just take a lot longer. Paper cutters make this go super fast. So this video is going to be for the tint and tone classes that are going to have 9 sections. I'm going to show you this. Yeah, okay. Just thinking out loud. All right, so your construction paper here, this piece of construction paper, just one, will make 8 tint and tone strips. So how many kids do you have in your class? I'm going to make the math easy. Let's say you have 24. So 24 divided by 8, 3. That means I would need 3 pieces of construction paper to do this. So I'm going to take my ruler and I am going to measure down 1 inch all the way down and just make a little tick on the edge of my paper. And I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ticks. Then I'm going to go to the middle of my paper. I'm going to do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ticks. Now I'm going to, with my ruler, I'm going to connect those lines with a straight line going across. I have to go to the side here. So I'm going to do it I'm going to do it dark here, but you can do it lightly on yours. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way across. You want that line to go from end to end of the paper. 5, whoop, see, this is why I brought the eraser. 5, I'm working on a surface that's not even, so hopefully you're doing this on an even surface and it's faster. There we go. 6, 7, 7 and 8. So I got 8 lines going across. So remember what I said, if you have 20, I just gave you an example of 24 students. So you would need 3 pieces of paper. You would repeat this process on all 3 pieces of paper. I'm just going to do it on one, okay? So now I have my lines going across. Now I'm going to take my paper cutter. Here's my paper cutter. And I'm going to measure out and slice it down every 1.5 inches. So I can't really show you while I'm doing it because I need both of my hands. Okay, so I'm over here and I have lined my paper up and I'm gonna go to 1.5 inches and make a slice. Okay, I'm gonna do it and show you. So I'm gonna come down and 1.5 inches and I'm gonna cut down, but I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna stack all my papers together, by the way. I'm not gonna do this one at a time for each paper. If I have 24 kids, that means I have 3 pieces of paper and I'm cutting all 3 at the same time. So slice, and this is what it looks like. So I sliced it, and there's 1 strip. I'm gonna slice it again. And in fact, I would have 3 strips because I would have had 3 pieces of paper. 1.5 inches, slice, 1.5 inches, slice, 1.5 inches, slice, and so forth until you've sliced them all up. 1.5 inches, and keep going. All right. And almost done. Almost done here. All right, so now I have all of my strips. As you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 strips out of that. Now with each one, I'm gonna take it, and this is where, this takes a little bit more time. So you're gonna go to the middle one and you're gonna put an X. Then you're gonna write number 1 going up, 2 going up, 3 going up, 4. This is gonna be for when, so like let's say you're doing green paint, you're gonna paint the solid green here, and then you're gonna add a little bit of white going up on 1. a little bit more white going up on 2, a little bit more white going up on 3, a little bit more white going up on 4, and you'll see the green start to get lighter and lighter and lighter. And then you're gonna come down here and go 5, 6, 7, 8. And on this side, you're adding black. A little bit of black, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, and you'll see the green going darker. So that's how you create the strip. X, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You do that for each of the kids and you're done making your tint and tone strip. Good luck. And again, like I said in the last video, if you have any suggestions after viewing my instruction videos to the kiddos, let me know. All right.